Got one. Oh, he's fat. Welcome back to the Fluke Fishing YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to be using the BassForecast app, and it's going to be deciding which lures we can use today. BassForecast has a ton of great lures selections, and it increases your fish catches drastically. The lures, it says we're going to go off none and weeds because that's what we're going to be fishing. A Ned rig, soft jerkbait, spy bait, lipless crankbait, jig, spinnerbait, shaky head, and plastic worm / creature. Now let's get out to the water, knowing the baits we can use. Black and blue spinnerbait from Lunker Hunt, right there. Caught a ton on them last time I was out here, so hopefully we can replicate. It's a little windy, which usually means bassy. A little windy, a lot bassy. Got one. My drag's so loose. Little tiny bass. Well, here we go. Not a bad one. Got like a weird thing in his mouth over there. Move my thumb so you guys can see that. Look at that weird thing. Here we go, another little bad fish. Little guy, about probably half pound. See ya. Woo, let's go. Definitely just had a hit. Dang, this spinnerbait keeps its wire really good. Our wire is almost straight in line. Got one. Pretty big and it's a good one. Ah, no, he's not. He's smaller than the last. He ain't smaller than the last, but he ain't big. Spinnerbait putting in work, boys. Look at that. Spinnerbait. See you, buddy. Definitely got to buy more of these spinnerbaits. They're so good. I swear. Love the Lunker Hunt spinnerbait. It's become a new favorite of mine. Toad on my phones. Got one. Good. Not good. He ain't good. He's tiny. Oh man, that's a dink. Here we go, not a bad one. Let's get him back. Cast right back up there. That fish could be on bet. If I catch one on the mag grab, I might win the tourney. Bladed jig, square bill, does say square bill swim bait right there. Not the only one that saw swim bait. I have a hard time not going with the jackhammer. It's so good. If it says blade jig and tie on an original chatterbait, it's okay. Because, you know, with these darts, that would look good on the back of there. Tell me that's not saucy looking. Got one. Oh, he's not that good. Ooh. Yoink. Awesome little bass. Caught this nice little dinker, 12-incher. See you, bud. I think he tried to pay me a visit. That was the strangest thing. Never seen a fish do that. Got one. Oh, he's less than 12, I think. Oh no, he's Long Johnny. Let's call him Long John Silvers. Boy's 11, so let's get him back. Put in that work. Standard. So love this reel. I'm gonna just cast out a backlash. Got one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Oh, tighten up this drag. How good is he? Oh, he ain't that good. Come here. Oh, he's fat. Oh, he's fat. That is a lunker of a bass. He is a fatty. Oh dang, his teeth are sharp. Oh wait, no, that's just my hook, my bad. It's just my hook. His hooks are so sharp. Oh my. Could be pushing 2 with his weight. It's not that long. Dang, that is a fat fish. Cropper might be the move. Look at that red lips. Dang, dude, that's about a 2-pounder. Let's check the scale. He's definitely over a foot, so he could be like 16. He could be pushing 16, honestly. Didn't want to kill him. Had our scale zeroed. It didn't work. .7, that is a fatty. Release on big girl. It was shallow for her. There we go. Thanks for tuning into the Fluke Fishing YouTube channel, and also give a special thanks to BassForecast for recommending us these awesome baits. See ya.